May 2024 marks a significant turning point. ONPASSIVE, an integrated ecosystem of AI-powered tools, has arrived. This isn't just another tech launch, it's a paradigm shift. ONPASSIVE promises to reshape how we interact with technology. It aims to seamlessly integrate various aspects of our digital lives. Imagine a world where technology anticipates your needs. ONPASSIVE strives to make this a reality. Before we dive in, please remember to subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Stepping into the world of ONPASSIVE is intuitive and exciting. The user interface is clean, visually appealing, and remarkably user-friendly. New users are guided through a simple setup process. This personalization is key to ONPASSIVE's appeal. From the outset, ONPASSIVE impresses with its intelligence and adaptability. The system learns user preferences quickly, tailoring its responses and suggestions accordingly. This creates a dynamic and personalized experience, setting ONPASSIVE apart from traditional static platforms. The integration across different tools and services is seamless. Users can transition from work tasks to leisure activities without missing a beat. This interconnectedness enhances productivity and fosters a sense of flow, making the digital experience feel less fragmented. Early user feedback highlights the platform's speed and efficiency. Tasks that once required multiple steps are now automated or streamlined, freeing up time and mental energy. This newfound efficiency has the potential to significantly impact productivity and work-life balance. ONPASSIVE's impact on daily life is immediately apparent. The platform's AI-powered assistant becomes an indispensable companion. It manages schedules, automates tasks, and provides timely reminders, ensuring a smooth and organized day. Work routines are transformed. ONPASSIVE streamlines communication, simplifies project management, and facilitates seamless collaboration. Meetings are more efficient, deadlines are met with ease, and the virtual workplace feels more connected and productive. But ONPASSIVE's impact extends beyond work. In leisure time, the platform recommends personalized content, suggests activities based on interests, and connects users with like-minded individuals. This creates a more engaging and fulfilling leisure experience. The integration of work and leisure within the ONPASSIVE ecosystem is noteworthy. The platform blurs the lines between these two spheres, allowing for greater flexibility and personalization. This has significant implications for work-life balance and the future of work itself. Communication lies at the heart of the ONPASSIVE experience. The platform integrates various communication channels, consolidating messaging, video conferencing, and file sharing into a unified platform. ONPASSIVE's AI-powered translation tools break down language barriers, enabling seamless communication across cultures. This fosters global collaboration and understanding, shrinking the world through shared connections. The platform's emphasis on privacy and security is evident in its communication tools. End-to-end encryption and advanced security protocols ensure that conversations and data remain confidential, fostering trust and peace of mind. ONPASSIVE's approach to communication extends beyond functionality. It fosters more meaningful and authentic interactions. By filtering out distractions and promoting respectful dialogue, ONPASSIVE creates a space for genuine connection in an increasingly digital world. Section 5. ONPASSIVE and Privacy Balancing Innovation and Security. The rise of powerful AI systems like ONPASSIVE raises valid concerns about data privacy. ONPASSIVE acknowledges these concerns head-on, emphasizing transparency and user control. Users have granular control over their data. They can choose what information to share, how it's used, and with whom it's shared. This puts users in the driver's seat, empowering them to manage their digital footprint. ONPASSIVE's commitment to privacy goes beyond user controls. The platform employs state-of-the-art encryption and anonymization techniques to safeguard user data. This ensures that personal information remains protected. Even as the system learns and adapts, the balance between innovation and privacy is crucial. ONPASSIVE strives to strike this balance by leveraging AI's power while prioritizing user privacy and data security. This approach is essential for building trust and ensuring the responsible development of AI-powered ecosystems. Section 6. ONPASSIVE and the Future of Work, Embracing New Possibilities. ONPASSIVE's arrival has profound implications for the future of work. By automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and enhancing collaboration, ONPASSIVE empowers individuals to focus on higher-level thinking, creativity, and problem-solving. The traditional workplace model is challenged as ONPASSIVE enables remote work, flexible schedules, and project-based collaboration. This shift empowers individuals with greater autonomy and control over their careers, leading to a more fulfilling and adaptable work experience. However, this shift also requires us to rethink traditional job structures and social safety nets. As AI takes on routine tasks, it's crucial to invest in education, training, and reskilling programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. ONPASSIVE's impact on the future of work is not about replacing jobs, but about transforming them. By embracing the potential of AI, we can create a more human-centered work experience that prioritizes creativity, innovation, and purpose. Section 7. ONPASSIVE and social norms shifting paradigms. The widespread adoption of ONPASSIVE has the potential to reshape social norms and interactions. As technology facilitates seamless communication and connection, geographical barriers become less relevant. This fosters a more interconnected and globally minded society. ONPASSIVE's emphasis on personalized experiences could lead to greater inclusivity. By catering to individual needs and preferences, the platform creates a more welcoming and accessible digital environment for people from all walks of life. However, this shift also presents challenges. The potential for increased screen time, the blurring of boundaries between work and leisure, and the ethical considerations surrounding AI require careful consideration. Open dialogue and proactive measures are essential to navigate these challenges responsibly. As ONPASSIVE reshapes social norms, it's crucial to prioritize human connection and well-being. Technology should enhance, not replace, our interactions with each other. Section 8. Challenges and opportunities in the ONPASSIVE ecosystem. Despite its potential, the ONPASSIVE ecosystem is not without its challenges. Addressing concerns about job displacement, ensuring equitable access to technology, and mitigating potential biases in AI algorithms are crucial for its responsible development. The digital divide, the gap between those with and without access to technology, requires particular attention. ONPASSIVE's success hinges on bridging this divide, making its benefits accessible to all members of society. Furthermore, the ethical implications of AI require ongoing scrutiny. As ONPASSIVE learns and adapts, it's essential to ensure that its decision-making processes are transparent, fair, and aligned with human values. Despite these challenges, ONPASSIVE presents a unique opportunity to create a more equitable, efficient, and fulfilling future. By embracing collaboration, prioritizing ethical considerations, and fostering open dialogue, we can harness the power of AI to benefit all of humanity. Section 9. The vision: a world powered by ONPASSIVE. Imagine a world where technology empowers individuals, breaks down barriers, and enhances human connection. This is the vision driving the ONPASSIVE ecosystem. In this future, work is no longer tethered to a specific location or time. People are free to pursue their passions, collaborate on projects that ignite their creativity, and contribute their skills in meaningful ways. Education is personalized and accessible to all. Lifelong learning is encouraged, and individuals are empowered to adapt to the evolving job market. Social interactions are enriched by technology, fostering understanding, empathy, and meaningful connections across cultures and communities. This vision of a world powered by ONPASSIVE is ambitious, but it's a future worth striving for. By embracing the possibilities while addressing the challenges, we can create a world where technology empowers us to reach our full potential. Section 10. Conclusion: embracing the ONPASSIVE revolution. The arrival of ONPASSIVE marks a significant moment in human history. It signifies a paradigm shift in our relationship with technology, one that holds immense promise and potential pitfalls. As we navigate this new landscape, it's crucial to proceed with both excitement and caution. We must embrace the opportunities ONPASSIVE presents while remaining vigilant about its potential impact on society, work, and our very understanding of what it means to be human. ONPASSIVE is more than just a new technology, it's a catalyst for change. It's up to us to shape that change, to ensure that it leads to a future where technology empowers, connects, and uplifts all of humanity. The journey into the on-passive era has just begun, and it's a journey we must undertake together with wisdom, foresight, and a shared commitment to creating a better future for all. For more information about OnPassive and how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.